long time no talk. I am doing a quick weave today. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I parted off my sections roughly. I'm about to put my hair in a ponytail so that I can start on the protective shield and stuff like that. I'm gonna dry my weave and then we're gonna get into it. So okay girls, so let's just start off by me saying that I've never ever done a quick weave in my life, but I really wanted to try it. So this is my hair freshly cut and colored, probably about 2 weeks post mini big chop or whatever you want to call it. So it was really hard to put my hair in a ponytail. I tried a braid and it just looked crazy, so we just went with the bun. I'm using the HD invisible wig cap. I got all my supplies from my local beauty supply. So you want to pull the cap down all the way down so that it's nice and tight around your ears. I have this Milani eye pencil and I'm using that to trace around my leave out so that I know where and where not to put the protective shield and the glue as well. You want to make sure that you're very precise. Honestly, the thing I've learned about a quick weave is that it's the prepping process, and once it's time to glue the hair, you're ready to go. So I'm going in next with my Got To Be Glued. I'm taking the Got To Be Glued and spraying everywhere outside of that white line. So the Got To Be Glued starts off your first layer of your protective shield so that your leave out doesn't get any glue or residue on it from gluing the quick weave down. And this is the part that makes it a protective style. So I have the Weave Wonder Cap protective shield and I'm taking that and now I'm putting that on top of the Got To Be Glued. So you want to make sure each layer that you do that it's completely dry before you do the next layer. So the Got To Be Glued dried completely, and then now I'm going in with the Wonder Shield and I'm going to go ahead and dry that as well. And this is also a very precise step as well. You want to make sure that you're completely coating it, making sure that every little nook and cranny is literally covered by the protective shield, because this is what's going to save your leave out when it's time to take off the quick weave. And honestly, the prep process is what makes taking the quick weave out very easy. So once the protective shield was dried, I went back in over top of that with the Got To Be to add like a super hard layer. Once you finish off, it should be like literally hard to tap when you tap it. So now that all the layers are completely dry, I'm going in and I'm cutting the extra cap off so that we can go ahead and start gluing. Some people don't cut the cap off until the very end, but I had to because I need to see really what I was working with, so that I knew I was not getting any glue on my hair, because I really don't do anything on my head with any type of glue. Controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. So next up, I'm just showing you guys my Red by Kiss quick dry glue. Now the glue process is pretty simple. You want to first measure your track from each side, making sure that you're getting cap to cap. Don't get it on your hair at all. So once you do that, you're going to cut off that piece. You're going to glue or add the glue to the track and then just place it on your head, and you're doing this the whole entire way up. Now I didn't really know what I was doing, so definitely spilled my glue, but I ended up scooping it back into the thing because no product gets wasted. Okay, so now the glue process, like I said, is pretty easy. Going up all the way to the top of my head, I used the just going across from ear to ear method. Once you get to that ear, that's when you want to start closing in that leave out on the opposite side. So the side where there's not as much hair, because the side part's over there, you want to start closing that part up first before you get to the U for the top, if that makes sense. Don't worry, I got you. Do you say I want some more? Got that, got me, I got you. Do you say some slow one? Got that shiny Al Green and Marvin Gaye too. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all what I got so far. I've done ear to ear, and from here I'm going to start slanting the track up for the opposite side where the leave out is, so that it closes that side part area. Just what you like. Baby,
ambitious, down to my child. Braiding, intense, girl, let me do what I do. I don't know what's echoing louder, the music or you. I ain't close to being done yet. It's getting real warm, like the coming of thunder, right after the storm. You say, girl, gonna push it to the limit. See, second place, so in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste the moon again. As the sound of love making shades off the wall. Ooh, this might not be the bedroom, but I'm gonna love you, girl, gently.
I closed off the side part area, and then I started closing up my U. So you want to close it out, round it out, and then you're just going to do straight tracks across so that bang is like really, really heavy. Especially me, because my leave out is very blunt because I have a blunt cut bob. So I wanted to make sure that I put enough hair on the side so that my bang wasn't just like hanging loose. I didn't really want to cut the hair.
NT, you made this?
So now that we're completely closed up, I'm taking out my leave out, just trying to make sure that it's matching. Now let me tell y'all a little bit about this hair color. So this hair, first of all, is from Karlami Hair, and I believe I got like up to 26 inches. This is 3 bundles. So I started off with the L'Oreal High Color in the color magenta and the color red. The hair took a little bit, but not a lot, so I went back and I bleached the hair on top of that. So after bleaching the hair, the color came up and it literally was the perfect match. So now we're parting out the leave out, just making sure everything looks good, and it looks good. I'm excited. Now I'm going in with a little bit of silkening mist and putting it on my hair and the weave to make sure that we have like the complete perfect blend. Next, we're going in with the blow dryer. We're gonna blow it out, make sure that it's completely dry, because the hair was still a little bit damp from me coloring it, washing and conditioning it. So now that it's fully dry, I'm going in with my favorite brush and I'm just going to use that to smooth out my leave out. I just wanted to see like how it was looking, like if it was really giving before I got into the actual styling process.
I'm not gonna lie, by this point I was super tired. I did not expect it to take so long because it's supposed to be a quote-unquote quick weave. So I did my leave out and I kind of left it for the next day. So now we're on to the next day, and I was trying to see like how I wanted to style it, because I didn't really want to cut it and I was kind of bored with the straight look. So I decided I was going to put some waves in there, and I'm using my bedhead wave artist, and I'm just using this to basically wave the hair up, give it a little something. A nice little trick for when you're doing waves in your weave, you want to make sure that you spray it with some type of setting spray or like hairspray or something like that, because that really keeps the waves waving, okay? Following up, I'm just fixing my edges, just little finishing touches to make sure that I'm feeling it. Honestly, I don't know, Alexis. Yeah, you did a thing. I know that's right. Clearly I was feeling it because I started doing the weave dance. I don't know, yeah. Like, I feel like I did really good for my first quick weave. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will put all information for everything that I use down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.